I respect you. Why not respect me?
Money. Jordan is very good.
Yes. Too much money.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, we have.
You give it to me. You give it to me, money.
Yeah, sure, man. Sure.
Thank you. وري واحد العقد نصيحة يا هلا ثبت سرعنا بالعقد. وهل تعرف تكلم عربية؟
I know Arabic, but it's very good. Can you speak English?
ما شاء الله. Where you come from, brother?
I'm from Jordan.
Turkey.
Yes, Turkey.
I like it, Turkey. Very nice. Turkey is good. Turkey is good, my friend.
Thank you. You where are from?
I'm from Somalia.
Oh, I like it, Somalia. Really. This is
thank you. You welcome, my friend. Do you know Somalia?
Yes, sure. I know Somalia.
Thank you. You welcome, my friend. You welcome.
I respect all the people, and Somalia is very good.
Very good. Thank you. I want to ask you something, please.
Yes, sure.
Do you know Somaliland?
What?
Somaliland.
Somalia? What?
Yeah.
This is the country?
Like you don't. Do you know? Do you eat? Do you want اعتراف? Do you know اعتراف?
What's the meaning of اعتراف? You tell me.
He want.
You tell me bad word, man.
No, wait for me. ولا هي سوقر في إنجليز ما حنقول اعتراف في إنجليز ما حنقولها.
What's the meaning of I respect you. Why not respect me?
I like to speak Turkey, but I don't know. That's why problem.
I am not from Turkish.
Where you come from?
I am from Jordan. You know Jordan?
Jordan. Oh, I like Jordan. I know Jordan. Somali badana ku nool. Is here Somalian people Jordan?
Yes, I know. But I am basically in America.
Yeah. Oh, okay. But you don't know Somaliland.
No. Somalia, no. I know the country. I know Somalia.
But you don't know Somaliland.
No, I don't go to Somalia. But you it's very good, man. I think you are famous, man.
Allah quota. Wait for me, because Somali people sometimes is crazy. I know, because these people sometimes Somalian people they don't have respect, because sometimes wrong message you give it to me.
Okay, no problem. Take your time.
Yeah, but I like Somalian people, because I'm Somali. That's why problem.
Okay, man. You know Arabic?
Little.
Tell me.
It's not too much.
Tell me Arabic, please.
يا هل تعرف صومالي؟
What's the meaning of هل تعرف Somali?
Do you know Somalia? هل تعرف؟
I know Somali. Oh.
Yeah, that's great for مشاكل كثيرة, my friend. مشكل كثيرة.
What's the meaning of مشكل?
Problem.
Yeah. Don't care, man. Don't care. If you want, can you teach me what I'm doing for the Arabic? Tell me now.
Yeah, no problem, brother. But
tell me.
Because I like Jordan. Very nice country. Very nice. These people, he respect me. He respect you. Everybody, Somalian people, he respect you.
No. Me, I don't like Israel. You like Israel?
I don't like Israel. Israel يقول سوقال زبادة ترى دبي.
No Israel. No. What's the meaning of Israel? What Israel?
Israel every time he kill the Palestine. That's why problem.
Yes. No. Don't care. Israel is bad. He's dog.
كان كبداتش لقى وتاج العقد جرت تاع غاجرها مع العقب هي كسوكها نصون
please what's your name please
yeah he say Jordan he have مليومات you know مليومات
what
money Jordan is very good
yes too much money
yeah I like it
yes we have
you give it to me you give it to me money
yeah sure man sure
thank you وري واحد العقد نصيها يا هل ثبت سرعنا بالعقد اللي كثير ما سود وبنتي
thank you Shireen.
وما ينعم تقاطع بدن
follow
كنا قاطع بدن
Shireen please
I follow you no problem I give it to you for message my phone give it to me my money
me if you want can I give you in $1,000 because we have too much money.
Thank you my friend thank you
we have too much thank you for the Salujan yes I will give you look excuse me
حبضوا على شحات يدي دبو حبضوا شحات قاعد يدي انا جوتك كحرفت مع يدي هذا دي دوا أدي على ويدي ما قاعد تاجن تاني بس أنا حاجة جامعة كجراي
excuse me
أنا بس أقول أنا نيوي بس أنا نقول أنا لا نيوي بس أنا جامعة كجرا حاجة أشمي نيو بشكل سانو بلميه زواد دار حبضوا
thank you so much يا إخوان
حبضوا ساي بلميه زواد دار I follow you my friend
I will give you 1,000 if you want can you come to Jordan
I follow you now I follow you now
please come Jordan
thank you I will call you later
please here please tell me what you want anything
I give you for message inbox I will give you a message for my phone everything but I call you later وراح انا قابلني سبيتك بسرعه على وصغي والله بيان انا قاعد فرنا ولا يقول
what's your name please what's your name
حسين حاجي حسين حاجي
Hussein my name is
Yazan مقاعي حما وحد جوردن nice name أنا مقاعي حنقاضي جوردني very nice
can I tell you something before you go
sorry
can I tell you something before you go
no problem I tell you something for later
me now I will tell you something
no problem give
okay
tell me
حسين نورتني قلبي تحياتي لك كل الحب والاحترام الله روحك فعليا والله فعليا روحك حلوه ثانك يو جد نورتني وحياتك
جردن تبات كزرعنا الله
جردن
good my brother I call you later thank you bye bye
حبيبي
والله لازم وقت في عمر